Hey guys, welcome to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today I'm excited to show you the all-new SNES Classic. That is right, Nintendo has brought us the Super Nintendo in a pint-sized scale. I mean, literally, this box is small. If you wanted your very own, be sure to check out funnyroot.com down in the link below. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's on the inside. So this here is our box, and on the cover you do see the SNES Classic system right over there. Now, since it has a never released Starfox 2 games directly built into it, you also get Super Mario World, one of my favorites, Donkey Kong Country, second favorite among Super Mario Kart, Zelda, and other games as well. Now, if you want to comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite game as well. Now, as we kind of rotate it on the back here, it shows all the different cover arts. So you have a variety of different games. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this kind of slides out just like this here. And then we go ahead and move these tabs. All right, so on the top here, we have ourselves a quick little startup guide. Wow, that's actually a lot smaller than I thought. Oh my god, that is ridiculously small. I mean, it's literally that big. Man, I wish the buttons worked on this thing. I'm hitting the eject button, but it's not ejecting. Even the top part doesn't go down. I mean, that'd be really awesome if it did. I'm not exactly sure how the controller works. Oh, sweet. So there's a little cap here, if you can tell right here. So you just go ahead and lift that up and you'll see the controller port right over there. And oh my god, this brings back so many memories. Whoa. Man, I just literally had deja vu times a million right now. Look at that. Oh my god, that's the best feeling in the world. I'm getting all tingly just pressing these buttons. Man, this brings back a lot of memories. And you get two controllers. Here's our HDMI cable, so that is included, as well as our USB cable. So that's kind of it. In terms of the back though, so the DC in goes into here, and the HDMI cable goes into here. And then the controllers, as we already shown, kind of plug into the front. So yeah, I mean, the next thing we gotta do is set this thing up and try it out. Alright, so we're all set and ready to go. I got the game fully loaded, and it actually looks really interesting. I mean, you can see all the different kind of games that they have in here. I mean, a lot of these bring back a lot of memories. I mean, look at this, Starfox 2. That's the new one that we were talking about. So let's just try this out. We'll go into Super Mario World and we'll hit start. Oh, this definitely brings back a lot of memories. Alright, let's go ahead and just play the first level here and kind of try this out and see how the controls work. Alright, so I noticed that there might be a small little delay in terms of the trigger, but it's actually not that distracting. It definitely feels like I'm playing the old school Mario. Oh no! That's a football player. Get away from me! Oh no, I just lost Yoshi! Come back! There we go. And we're big. He just ate an egg. Okay, you just ate one of those things. Ooh! Oh! Alright, what shall we try next? Starfox 2! Yeah, I've never actually played Starfox. I'm not sure what's going on. Sure, I'll pick this bird. Alright, I guess we're taking off. How the heck does this game work? Whoa! What is going on here? Alright, a little cool. This looks like I'm flying. I'm not sure what's going on. All I know is I'm shooting something and it's a rocket, and all I see is a bunch of triangles and red, and I have no idea what's going on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and reset now. Yeah, there you go. Especially if you're a big, fan of this kind of game, then there you have it. I don't really understand it. Never actually played it when I was a kid. Sorry. Let's try some Mario Kart. Mario Kart's always a good classic game to play. Oh yeah. Oh. Da 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 da. Yeah. All right, one player game. Mario Kart GP. Ooh, 100cc. Sure. Ooh, who do we pick? I don't know. Mario. We are right in the head after all, right? All right, let's do this. Whoa, okay. This has been a while since I played this game. Holy crap! I don't know how I used to play this as a kid. Ooh, I got a red shell. Take that! Haha, sucker. Oh no! There you go. Now we're gonna catch up. Well, that was a lot of fun. All right, well, there you have it. This thing has a lot of nostalgic value. I mean, it's actually a great item just because it brings back a lot of fun memories. Now, it's really awesome to see that they incorporated like an HD screen to it, as well as all these games that you can play with it. Now, I have to say, for the price, it's actually a great deal and definitely something fun that everyone should have. Now, if you guys have any questions about the classic Super Nintendo, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.